was quite an entrance. Hello, everyone, and we are back with my fabulous assistant, Trey. Will you say hi?
Terry the Tiger.
And Terry the Tiger is here with us today, too. So he got to choose the book that we're going to read today, and it is called Little Excavator. And it is written by the same author who did all the Llama Llama books, which is really fun. And the illustrations in this are really fun and great, and there's a lot of great sounds and noises in here. So today we are going to do Little Excavator, and I hope that this works out well. And it's a great story about determination and never giving up, and it doesn't matter how small you are, there's always things that you can do to help, which is very true with what's going on right now. So, Terry, you've got to be quiet right now. All right. So, are you ready for Little Excavator? Are you ready, Trey?
Yes.
Okay. Let Mama kind of move, and we'll see if we can read this so everybody can see it. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see Little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, fall, fall, fall.
Oh, that's a dozer. That's a dozer.
That is a dozer.
It is a dozer.
Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Vroom, vroom goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha. Smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Drum goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka.
Chug, chug.
Chug, chug, chug.
Chug, chug, chug. Chug, chug, chug.
Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way.
Don't get in the way.
Vroom, goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang.
Work.
Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're...
Big.
Oh, where's Terry going?
Tingle right.
Oh, okay.
Tingle.
Woo goes the tall crane rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Hi, hi, hi. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now there's one last job to do, and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it Not a single
What?
one.
Yeah.
Everybody tries it, and it's much too
Cut.
tight. But can it be? Little E fits just
Right.
right. Good job, little excavator. Time to
Take it down.
take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and
Mouth.
now.
Yeah.
You may be small, little E, but one day you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator.
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. The
Ah.
end.
Doo-doo.
So, thank you for joining Trey and I for the Mighty Little Excavator, and we're going to try and do some more of these, okay? Thank you.
Bye-bye.